Collarts was a huge game changer, especially as a music producer. It's got everything. We have access to amazing facilities, whether it's analog synths or really expensive plugins that I don't have at home. The lecturers are amazing. A lot of them come from the industry and are working in the industry.
The course is very innovative, it's collaborative. It gives students self-discovery to find their individual uniqueness to music making. We really go out of our way to help students, giving them every opportunity as possible.
I was working a lot, so I was doing a lot of classes online, but then I'll come in the later weeks when I want that in-person support. It was never a problem.
We really get them to think about the business and branding focus, become their own entrepreneur, their own business. Some of those journeys have gone from being artists to working in broadcast to software to publishing to everything.
I was lucky enough to get a scholarship to study in Berlin at the Electronic Music School. That helped my study in terms of synthesis, and it was really formative in terms of my confidence. Now I feel like I've got those tools to bring them into the industry.